This is our billing agent. We trust it to handle real money, and I'm going to show you why. Here, a customer forgot to cancel her subscription and got charged $99. First, the agent checks if the refund is eligible. Then, it asks for my approval. Now, notice what the agent didn't do. It did not connect to Stripe or query our database. That's because it can't. It has no access to any of those systems. Instead, the agent runs workflows, step-by-step recipes for a given process. Let's look at the one it just ran to decide if this refund is eligible. The first step finds the customer in Stripe using the email address. Then, a condition step checks if they actually found one. No customer, the workflow stops right there and reports back to the agent. And then there's another check. Has she actually paid the invoice in Stripe? If not, again, the workflow stops and tells back to agent. Finally, based on our product usage, the workflow decides if the refund can be made. The agent can trigger this recipe. However, it can skip a step, reorder it, or improvise it. Now I'll approve this refund. That's going to trigger another workflow. Same thing, step by step, deterministic. Now, you might be thinking, this is cool, but I don't have time to build workflows. That's too much work. I would just use Claude or Codex. Well, we don't have time either. We just ask Claude to build this. We just explain what needs to happen. Claude built the workflows, an agent, and tested them and delivered. So you get the speed of AI-built automation with the rails that keep it safe. You can try this right now. Ask your agent to visit getcontroller.ai and see what it can build for you.